say you'll catch me later.
Hello guys, welcome back to another, my first video on this channel. Today we will be making a guessing game in Python. So first you need to open up Visual Studio Code or like your own editor. You can use PyCharm or anything you like. And you want to create a new file. You want to make sure you have downloaded Python. So if you don't know how to download Python or download Visual Studio Code, I'll link two videos, separate videos down below so you can do that. And in Visual Studio Code or in your code editor, you want to create a file and you want to name this as guessinggame.py, which stands for Python. So instead of saying Python, because it won't recognize it and it'll put it as a text file, you want to move it to Py, and that will make a logo here. That's Python logo, and if you click on enter, it will create a file for the guessing game project we're going to do today. So let's start right away with the code. And in this code, let's start by importing our three modules we're going to be using. And sorry if my keyboard is typing, it's a mechanical keyboard. So if we go ahead, we're going to import random, which is going to generate our number, time, which is going to wait, and sys, which is going to exit our program once the player has guessed the number. So first we're going to say print, we're going to welcome them, so welcome to the number guessing game. And then we're going to get their name. And we're going to say user name equals input, and we're going to get this input, and we're going to say, what is your name? We're going to put a space so they can enter their name right here. Now once we click enter, we can see that this here will be saved as the name. Username is the variable, and that will save their name. We can say print hello there, and to concatenate our string and make it hello there then their name, we want to say hello there, comma, quotation mark n, plus string, because it's a string, and then we're going to say username, and then we're going to add another plus, and we're going to say hello there, period, exclamation mark if you want, or period, welcome to the number guessing game. Now we're going to say this again, but we can just say that again if you want, or you can delete this line and just say hello, but I think I like it like this, or you know what, I'll just change it so like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get their minimum and maximum value for the random number that we're going to generate, or the computer is going to generate. So we can say minimum equals to int, because it's an integer value, input, what is the minimum number you would like to guess your number from, and then we're going to add a space. Now we can copy this line and paste it and say, instead of min, we're going to say max. And we're going to say, what is the maximum number you would like to guess your number from? And then inside here, we're going to wait. So that's why we imported time. So we can say time.sleep 1 second. Now this is basically like saying wait 1 second. But instead in Python, it's with the time module and saying time.sleep 1. Now we're going to, with those two values, we're going to create a random number. So we can also say print generating number ... and then we're going to time.sleep or wait 1 second, and then we're going to say, and then we're going to generate a number. So generate a number equals to random.randint, randint integer, and we're going to say the minimum and the maximum values, because it takes two values, A and B, which is the minimum value and the maximum value. Now with that, we're gonna say print number generated. All right. Oh, sorry, I spelled print wrong. Print, and after that, we're going to start with the trying. So you can give your user as many tries as you want, but we're gonna set that in a variable. So we're gonna say tries equals to, so it's easily able to change. Let's say 5. Let's give the user 5 chances to guess the number. We can say change the number of tries you would like to give your player. Now we're gonna say time.sleep again 1, and I like to do that to like pause it and make sure it doesn't just come out all at once. And we're gonna say print. Now we're gonna say print string username. So we're gonna basically what we're trying to say is we're just trying to say, let's say your name. So you can be like anything. It could be name, comma. You have 5 tries to guess the correct number. Right? This is what our goal is to say. So if we say print username, then we add comma, you have plus string tries. Sorry, you have 5 tries to guess the number. And then this is easily changeable because this is a variable assigned here. So if you change this to 2, then this would say 3. Sorry, then it would change to 3. Now, if we go ahead and change it, now let's start off with our like trying system. So we're gonna put in a while loop. So while tries is actually greater than 0, then we're gonna keep on repeating this loop. First, we're gonna get the user number. So we're gonna say user number equals to input. What is the guess of the number? And this is assigned in user number. Now first, we're gonna put it in if then else. So if user number is actually equal to the generated number, we're gonna say print u1, comma, plus string username. We're just gonna say u1, comma, your name. Let's set an exclamation mark for more like impact, and we can say print you did it in plus string tries plus, no, not tries. So we actually have to assign, oh no, it's fine, we can use that same variable. You did it in blank tries. You did it in blank 5 tries. Good job. And then with this, now we're gonna do now we're gonna say print thanks for playing, comma, we're just gonna keep doing plus string username, which is just adding it more, and then exclamation mark, and then we're gonna do syx.exit. Now this is very important because this will exit our code, so they can't do anything, or they can't type anything after this. Now let's add an elif. An elif is similar to an else, but elif means another conditional. So you can say user number is greater than generated number. You can say print your number is too high. Now if your number is too high, period, and then we can say print your number is too high, tries equals tries minus 1. Now what does this do? Let's say I have 5 tries. This will say 5 minus 1, and this will assign that same variable as 4. So now I know that same variable is now 4. So now I have 1 less try, and that will keep it so now we know how many tries the user has left before it's game over and they lose. And then we're gonna say print, and we're gonna notify them how many tries do you have how many tries do you have left. So you can say you have blank string tries plus tries left before you lose the game. Keep trying. with this smiley. Yeah, no, that's very, very weird. Okay, anyways, we can copy this right here, elif statement. We can paste another one. And what we can do is we can say this user number, instead of greater than, we can say less than. Your number is too low. Tries, and then it's the same thing. We just have to change two things. Now that we have done that, we can say, out of this loop, we're almost done. We can say if tries equals 0. So if they have no tries left, print you lost. Good try though. And then say the number was, notify them, plus string the generated number, not the user number, the generated number, and then say exclamation mark. And then we're gonna copy this thanks for playing here, and we're just gonna paste this here, and we're gonna say sys.exit. So we're gonna exit that code too. Now this should work, this all should work, because this is basically all of the code we need to create a guessing game. So let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, sorry, let's try it out again. Oops. Yeah, there you go. So welcome to the number guessing game. What is your name? Let's just type in random. Let's type in John. Hello there, John. What is the minimum number you would like to guess your number from? You can say 6. Wait 1 second. What's the maximum number you would like to guess your number from? We can say 10. Now this is going to generate numbers 6 to 10. Now you have 5 tries to guess this number. What is the guess? Let's guess 8. Your number is too low. You have 4 tries. Okay, so low. Wait, my brain is not braining. Okay, 9. Yeah, you did it in 4 tries. Good job. Thanks for playing, John. Now this is actually how to do it, and this all works. So that's pretty much it for the video. This is all the code. I will link it down below in the description so you can check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe as it helps me out a lot. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.